How to fix Instagram notes. This is a very quick tutorial and I'm going to show you how. Using this function, users can send a message to up to 60 of their closest friends and followers. But not all users can access the tool. Instagram recently released its new Instagram Notes feature, and there are a number of concerns with how it appears in accounts. Most users can access notes from their accounts, but others are still unable to do so. So, how are we going to fix Instagram notes? First, go to your Instagram account. As you can see here, my Instagram note is working, but I'm going to show you my other account that Instagram note is not working and not functioning. It doesn't appear here. So, the first thing we must do is go to your profile and click the three vertical lines here, tap settings, scroll down and go to privacy. Always make sure that your activity status is on. So, click this one and toggle this one on. So, after that, you can go back and check if this one works. Now, if this one doesn't work, you need to go to Play Store and then go to Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is updated. As you can see, mine is updated, so all I have to do is to click open. After doing this, you can go to your message and then check if the Instagram note is working. So go to your chat box, but unfortunately, I cannot see the Instagram notes. So we need to do the third step, which is to uninstall the application. So long press uninstall and then go to the Play Store again and install this application. You can try any of this method to fix your Instagram notes. But if not, then you can ask a help from their customer service. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.